Hello, guys.
Hey, Madan, good to see you again.
What are you looking to take away from class?
Excited to learn more.
Good morning. How's everybody?
We wanted to differentiate between what our paid media dollars were doing and those customers that were just like coming through your door. We can differentiate how hard our dollars were working, where we were spending them.
Should you see, an acceptable p-value, could you stop? Should you stop? Or let it ride its course and then, express that, hey, we're seeing these preliminary results with statistical significance, but we're going to let it keep going.
You design the test, you run the test, and then you get the results. The results are too good, too low, too whatever. Well, actually, too low is usually not even an issue. They'll just write you off. But like too high, then everyone makes as much time as they want to go through the test design and the test flight and how you ran it and stuff like that.
Like, how can anything be 45 row assets? It just makes no sense, right? If that's true, then nobody has to do any marketing.
Quick question, whether it's a holdout or a scale, like you got to move the market by 5%, right?
3 to 5%, yes.
Where we had to determine and estimate what percentage of consumers who are part or exposed to this sponsorship do we believe will go visit the Power Heel website or go to their Amazon page? And what do we believe the conversion rate there will be?
All right, folks, I'll let you guys jump. I'll see you back Monday. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Madan.
Thanks,
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.